Gluck right here. He joined us at Road Atlanta, so welcome back, guys. Very nice. Look at these, the patriotic car. Here he is, Gluck. Welcome back, man. And tell us, what in the world is this thing again? I know I've asked you that before.
This is a GTM Factory 5. It's a kit car built by Dave Smith and the guys in Massachusetts. We turned it into a race car and race it for the Gallant Few, which is a ranger organization to help U.S. Army Rangers.
Perfect. I love it. Gluck, thanks for being here again, man. I love it.
Where, like Porsche's philosophy has always been, let's build a race car and then we'll turn it into a street car. And that's where obviously a lot of their success comes from, and that's really what's been emulated by other manufacturers. Well, they took this Factory 5 GTM, and they have made it a race car. It was a road car and a race car. Well, Brian's background is he's a pilot for our military, and I forget what branch, so excuse me on that. I apologize, Brian, but he flies, and he's also a test pilot. So when he would drive this thing and it was crabbing on him, you just corrected on a. So when they would look at the videos and they see his wheel turn, they're like, we're in a straight line. You're on a straightaway. The wheel's not supposed to be turned. Well, that's how I go straight.
Yeah,
so he's got so many fun stories of how. So they've really had to rebuild all the uprights, all the control arms, and everything to make that a race car. So every time they hit the track, it's kind of like a test session for them. And again, it speaks to just volumes to Trans Am and having that kind of variety and having that kind of open-mindedness to allow these packages to come in and get their racing done. And Brian is a heck of a character. I think we become fast friends, just over this weekend and meeting each other. And I'm really so fascinated by their project and what they do to move forward and what they are doing for veterans as well. And the message always seems to be strong when we get to Virginia with the veterans. So it's great to see Brian out here as we see a little replay.
SGT. So in third place in SGT, here he is. I was wondering if he was going to be here. Let's hear it, Brian Gluck, or as I call him, Gluck. Nice. See, he's excited. All right, Brian. See, you know where you're going. Nice. See, look at that. I love it. You're on the podium, dude. Congrats. He says 3 years. Now this is going to be fun. I love it when people get excited to be on the podium, because I know this really means something to you, Brian. Tell us about your race.
It was great. The wing broke, and so everywhere we were going, the wing was flapping like an airplane. And it was a little unstable.
He is an airplane pilot.
It was a little unstable on the high speed, but we raced with professionals. They got around us, and we're just excited to be here. I want to thank Scoville Vodka and the Gallant Few that supports U.S. Army Rangers and Factory 5. And everybody here in Trans Am, we're just excited to be here.
So you're not able to trim out the wings on a race car, are you?
Unfortunately not. I was looking for the yoke to try to adjust the trim, but it wasn't working very well.
Nice. Well, let's hear it. Brian Gluck, third place. Let's hear how loud you can get. One more time. SGT, Brian Gluck, Milton Grant, Cary Grant, putting on a fantastic show here. Uh-oh, look out. A little shower here, but look at this. Gentlemen, not going for the eyes. Cary's saying, not the eyes, not the eyes. Hey, Gluck, nice job, dude. That's awesome.
That is awesome, brother.
Congratulations.
Woo!
I'm proud of you, man.
Thank you.
I know that's hard fought.